Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Windows Privacy Dashboard and App Permissions, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your Windows device and click on the Start menu. Type Privacy Settings into the search bar and select the appropriate option from the results. In the Privacy Settings window, you'll see various categories on the left side. Select Activity History to manage how Microsoft collects your activity data. Toggle the options to enable or disable the collection of your activity history. Next, click on Speech to adjust settings related to speech recognition. You can turn off or clear your speech data by accessing the associated options. Now, return to the left panel and select Camera. Here, you can manage which apps have permission to access your camera. Review the list and toggle permissions on or off as needed. Continue by selecting Microphone from the left menu. Similar to the camera settings, choose which apps can use your microphone.
Next, go to Notifications to control how and when you receive notifications. Adjust your preferences regarding notifications from individual apps. Move on to Account Info to manage which apps can access your personal account details.
Review the permissions and disable access for any apps as necessary. Select Contacts to control which apps can see your contacts. Review and toggle permissions based on your preferences. Continue with Calendar to manage access to your calendar data.
Next, check the Calls settings to manage which apps can initiate calls.
Go to Email settings to ensure that only trusted apps have access to your email information.
Select Tasks to review which apps are allowed to access your task list. Next, visit the Location settings to manage location access for your apps. You can toggle location access on or off for individual applications.
Finally, review Feedback and Diagnostics settings.
Decide how much diagnostic and usage data you wish to share with Microsoft. After adjusting all settings, close the Privacy Settings window.
Your changes will take effect immediately to enhance your privacy.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.